Today I show you how to use the new camera button or the camera control button in the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. This button was in Sony Xperia for a long time, but now Apple is using it also. It's not exactly the same as Xperia, and it's actually better because you can do more things with it. And I want to show you now what it's doing. So if you want to see the camera button, it's on the right side of the phone. And this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and in the settings for the camera you have camera control. You have these options here, and that's the button. It looks like a fingerprint sensor from Xperia to me, but you press it and then it will open the camera app. You can customize this option, and here it was showing this because I was starting it for the first time after a reset. And now I half press on the camera button and I slide it left and right, and it's using it as a zoom. It's very convenient. It really feels good to use it. It's almost like a physical scroll wheel, and this is the reason why I got the iPhone 16 Pro Max and not 15 Pro Max. I wanted to have this button because it's really useful. I use it a lot. And you can set the options here. You can choose to lock the auto exposure and autofocus. You can choose to double click if you want to launch the camera with a double click to make sure you don't start it by mistake. And you can also start a code scanner by pressing it, or a magnifier, or none. You can disable the button if you don't want it. So here I will start the code scanner to read a QR code if I wanted to. And now it's trying to find the code to scan. If you use QR codes a lot, if you use the phone as a scanner, you can really use this option. I don't need to read QR codes that much, so I will use it as a camera. And for that reason, for that purpose, it's really useful. If you wanted to disable it, you can't disable it, but I don't recommend disabling it because it's a really useful feature to start the camera quickly. Thanks for watching.